Oh wait, it shows not even your eyes, just by the way.
Hi. Let's make some slime. Let's make some slime. So, the base for the slime is this really expensive Elmer's glue. It's non-toxic, so you can eat it.
Don't do that.
So we're just gonna pour some on the table.
You forgot to tell what kind of challenge.
Oh, this is the making slime on the table challenge. Oh, on the table challenge. What's next? Wait,
There's no editing, just by the way. This is just
oh
gonna
my
be
gosh,
all
you're not
footage.
editing it?
No.
Shoot. Okay.
Here.
Can you go get a new plastic spoon?
Yeah.
No, it's a bad spoon. It's already used and has nasty stuff on it. I think that's enough.
Nope, here's another twist. You can't use a spoon.
Yes, I can. It's the table challenge. Cut me some slack. Okay, so we're just gonna smush it into this. Really? Oh no. This is.
I told you the plastic bag was a bad idea, man.
It's kind of moving.
I told you it was a bad idea.
But it's better than getting slime all over the table.
So this is another.
The wax paper would have been worse.
No.
Oh, we could have taped it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's too small. Like
No?
the plastic bag is like this wide, and like a wax paper is like this wide. So it would have been messier.
You have to have actually quality commentary, just so you know.
Yeah.
So me and Audrey are here.
I get paid 12 cents a year for this.
You don't get paid at all.
What? You said.
I didn't say anything.
No editing, great. So you're just gonna mix it. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna. What should I do next? I forgot. No, we need
Just
we
make
need
whatever
coloring.
you want. Make what?
Coloring.
No,
I'll
you
go
do
get
not.
some glue.
I want a colored slime.
Okay, y'all gotta stop moving the table.
Quality 8+ YouTuber right here.
This is too
Here,
much.
this is the mystery color. Okay.
Shoot. Just pour it in. Julia, you're gonna drop it all over the living room.
Here, Julie, I got it. Can I do it? It'll look cool if I do it.
Okay.
See, look, guys, this is gonna look really cool.
Oh my gosh, it's a random hand.
Wow.
It's our videographer.
Excuse
No, there
me?
needs to be more.
You see this color? I don't know what color that is.
It's yellow. Or she's colorblind. I'm sorry.
No,
Maybe
I'm not.
say
I'm an
5.
artist. It looks
It's 5.
orange.
So one right here and one right here.
Oh my gosh, Mare.
I can do it.
How about like
no,
7?
Meredith is a mystery
I
color.
hope you like-
can't do it.
I hope you like
I
color.
see the color.
No, it's a mystery.
Get in here right there. Okay.
Yeah, it's because there's slime on it, Mare.
Such a mystery color. Okay,
Let's see.
so don't squeeze it onto
I'm not
the table.
going to.
Oh, this looks like an egg.
Mm-hmm.
Stop! No, that would have been nasty.
And by the way, we're using a borax box and some modeling clay to set this up.
Yeah, I should show them the setup after
No.
we finish this video and the bloopers.
Mare,
It doesn't
this
exist
whole-
because this whole video
This whole video is a
bloopers.
blooper and it's your fault.
It's not my fault. You're the one who said it.